After United States bombed the nuclear sites in Iran, there is high alert in Israel, where I'm reporting from, and there is an immediate change in the instructions of the Home Front Command, where it has said that people in Israel do not have to expose themselves, and the status of the security has been now changed from partial to essential. That means people have to come out only when it is essential. The workplaces have been closed. The educational institutions are closed. People have to remain indoors because this is the kind of caution, this is the kind of alert that Israel is following, expecting a retaliatory attack after Iran's missile facilities have been hit by United States. So this is an alert situation in Israel, and people are not coming out unless it is essential, and they are going by the instructions of the home front. There have been no sirens as of now, but anything can happen anytime. There's a lot of uncertainty and the situation is still developing. People have been prohibited to have gatherings, to stay out for long unless it is essential for them. The essential services are going on, but other than that, people have been instructed by the Home Front Command to stay indoors and to follow the instructions. So this is how the Israeli Defense Forces are cautious. They are keeping an eye on all these evolving developments in this situation. I'll keep updating you about what's happening in Israel. That happens to be the epicenter of this Iran-Israel conflict, with United States being a part of it. This is Shivani Sharma for India Today from Tel Aviv.